Making sense of dividing polynomials. Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into the intriguing world of polynomials, specifically focusing on the topic of dividing polynomials. This concept is essential in GMAT and GRE math, but don't fret. We'll break it down step by step. Before dividing, we must know what we're dividing. A polynomial is a mathematical expression made up of terms, which are products of numbers and variables. The numbers are called coefficients. Example: 3 by 2 plus 5x minus 73x squared plus 5x 73 by 2 plus 5x minus 7 is a polynomial. Just like how we divide numbers to distribute things equally or find out how many times one number fits into another, we divide polynomials for similar reasons. Dividing polynomials can help us simplify complex expressions and solve higher-order polynomial equations. There are two main methods to divide polynomials. 1. Long division. 2. Synthetic division, specifically for linear divisors. Long division. Just as you learned long division with numbers, it's applied similarly with polynomials. Steps. 1. Write down the dividend and divisor. 2. Divide the leading term of the dividend by the leading term of the divisor. 3. Multiply the divisor by the result from step 2. 4. Subtract the result from step 3 from the dividend. 5. Bring down the next term from the original dividend. 6. Repeat the process. Synthetic division. This is a shortcut method when dividing by a linear polynomial. Steps. 1. List the coefficients of the dividend. 2. Write down the zero of the divisor. If the divisor is x minus x minus a, the zero is triple A. 3. Bring down the first coefficient. 4. Multiply the zero by the number just written down and place the result under the next coefficient. 5. Add vertically. 6. Repeat until all coefficients have been used. Example 1. Long division. Divide x2 plus 3x minus 4x squared plus 3x4 by 2 plus 3x minus 4 by x plus 2x plus 2x plus 2. Example 2. Synthetic division. Divide x3 minus 6 by 2 plus 11x minus 6x caret 3 to 6x squared plus 11x 6x3 minus 6 by 2 plus 11x minus 6 by x minus 1x 1x minus 1. Remember, practice is key. Try out more problems to get the hang of it. And there we have it, the essentials of dividing polynomials. Whether you're using long or synthetic division, with regular practice, it will soon become second nature. We hope this video was illuminating and aids in your GMAT and GRE preparation. Until next time, happy studying!